Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips, and in this video we are going to talk about how to fix Fortnite is unable to log into server error which is happening for many of the users right now, and how we can fix this error. So that is what we are going to talk about. So this issue is happening for many of the users, and for me even I had this issue, but I tried few steps that did work it. So that is why I'm going to share with you guys over here. So what you have to do is you just have to follow the instruction. And the first one, if you launched the Fortnite and it is not connecting, it is getting in the error, please try login back error. If you're getting this, just close the Fortnite. Once you close the Fortnite, just go over here in the start and go over here in the task manager, because it will be running in the background. So if you select the Fortnite from here, just select the Fortnite and go for end task. So once it is done, just close this one and we have to move to the next one. Next one is all about, we have to press Windows and R key all together on the keyboard. So just press Windows and R key all together. When you press Windows and R key all together, you will be getting run command like this. Or you can go over here and search for run command like this. You can open this as well. So when you go for run command, type %local app data %. Just type %local app data %. And once you're done with this one, type this and go for OK. Now when you go for OK, you'll be taken to this app data local. Now from here you just have to scroll down and navigate to Fortnite. So over here you just go to Fortnite game, open this. Now from here go to save it. Now from here go to cloud. Sorry, not cloud, just go to config. Over here navigate to crash report client. Over here you have to select this one. Just right click and go for delete it. Delete this one. Okay. Once it is done, you just have to go back, navigate to logs folder. Now go to here, just select this one and you have to go over here. Then when you go for this one, just go for end task as you can just delete this as well. You just delete this. Once you're done with deleting this, just close everything. And once you close this, we have to move to the next step. Next step is all about, we have to run command prompt. For that, we have to go over here in the search. Now we have to search for command prompt like this. Search for command prompt. Click on run as administrator. Now over here, we have to give few commands. So I'll be providing all these commands in the description, so you don't have to worry. So the first one is all about netsh/winsock reset. Now press enter. Okay, once it is done, we have to move to the next one. That is ipconfig /release. Press enter. Once it is done, next one ipconfig /renew. Press enter. Once it is done, we have one more. That is ipconfig /flushdns. Okay, press this, press enter. Once it is done, we'll be getting message it is successfully resolved. Once that, just close this, restart your PC. That is an important step. Restart. After restart is done, launch the game and will not be having any kind of trouble. So I'm going to open the game right now. Once you're done with this one, try launching the game and there will be no kind of any issue. You can directly play Fortnite without any issue. There'll not be any kind of error messagings like please try again later, or there'll not be any kind of message. Just launch the game and you are good to go with that. Just wait it. So it is getting connected. So over here you can see it's connecting. Just wait and watch. So right now, as you can see here, I am to play the game. So without any issue, I launch it. So you have to do the same. This is how you can fix the issue, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.